Hey guys, this is Lojoy Smart Video Doorbell. It supports multiple users. It has a 166-degree angle of view. It has night vision and mobile push alerts. Now here, let's open this app to see. Add devices. When the red light is flashing, let's press this button. And then let's connect to C. This one. Let's go back. Next. Then let's input the password of your Wi-Fi. I already copied it and I'll paste it. Next. Now input the administrator password. Normally it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you can set it by your own. Now name it. Name it whatever you like. Okay, it's connected. Okay, now it's connected. You can set volume, playback, scene, full screen, screenshot, speaker, and record videos. It supports two-way audio. You can talk to your visitors anywhere. And it has a motion detect alarm with mobile push. When you have a visitor, there's a mobile push. When it detects motion, there would be an alarm sent to your phone. And you will receive a call if you long press the button.